What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about a new project called Cylum. I'm very excited to share this with you, so let's go. Asylum is a sustainable auto-staking, compounding, and burning protocol. Simply hold CYM and watch the tokens grow in your wallet, thanks to the unique cylinder stake and burn algorithm. 395,677% APY in just 365 days. Holders do not need to stake or manually claim earnings. The smart contract award earnings directly to the holder's balance. You can earn every minute. A robust auto-staking system. Cylum token, CYM, is the native token for staking incentives. Tax distribution benefits every token holder in CYM, merely for holding CYM tokens. Auto compounding, every CYM transaction is taxed a 10% fee, which is split between all holders and is being auto compounded in their wallets. The Cylinder, Cylum Cylinder, is a 1000 BNB backup fund. This helps the DAO in case the CYM token price drops dramatically to help reassure the investors. Cylum Chimney, 2% of the entire CYM supply was burned during launch. With each trade, more CYM are automatically added to the chimney, creating token scarcity. Earnings will triple during mainnet offering. During mainnet offering, transactions will triple the speed, thus increasing the pooled fees faster and making more reflections hit your wallet as a holder. Here are some of the highlights for the token. Highest fixed APY, low risk with Cylinder Insurance Fund, interest paid every minute, automatic staking and compounding in your wallet, automatic burn reducing the total supply. And you can check out some of the FAQs here, and as well as some of the latest Cylum news. You can check out and see that they had an airdrop back in March. And also you can check out the competitive advantages over other DeFi 3.0 projects, and as well as the auto staking, auto compounding, and auto burn. They have an article about that. And I want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit about the white paper here. So let's go ahead and check this out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel here and turn on notifications and hit the like button if you'd like to see more videos. We always like to showcase cool projects for you guys that we feel has value for you. So I want to go ahead and share this with you. Cylum is a protocol built as a launchpad for Metaverse projects on the Binance Smart Chain. The CYM token is used to power and drive this Cylum ecosystem. You can earn CYM by joining Telegram and contributing to the Cylum community by helping with exchange and data listings, managing collaborations, and contributing code. Together with Cylum users, they're bringing about positive change in the cryptocurrency world. The next milestone in creating one is the NFT Metaverse Launchpad, which is a rare and unique feature in the cryptocurrency blockchain. You guys can check out a little bit more here about the white paper, the Metaverse and NFT. One way in which people are utilizing NFTs in the Metaverse is to purchase virtual land, such as being done in the sandbox, if you guys are familiar with that. Instead of a tangible deed, these virtual places use NFTs to show ownership of specific regions inside a virtual environment. By the end of 2021, total expenditure on NFTs exceeded to $12.6 billion. And some of the ways buyers receive passive returns, residual income, and maximize the potential of their investments include the following: yield-generating NFTs, staking, and nested NFTs. And in general, Asylum would be integrating nested NFTs and contributing value to the metaverse by modifying and extending the functionality of virtual items. Cylum's Launchpad here is an ideal alternative for metaverse projects eager to enter the market with everything they've got. And the Launchpad will be a platform that connects people with all relevant requirements to a single potential instance of the market. Typically, projects must follow a series of steps in order to debut an instance in the Bitcoin market. And with their Launchpad, they've established efficient technology configurations and partnerships, funding, etc. You can check out about their blockchain here. Cylum's Metaverse. The Cylum Metaverse is a decentralized, user-friendly environment, and it is a token for blockchain-based games in the Metaverse and Metaverse world, where users can purchase, sell, and claim various NFTs or assets, such as virtual plots of land, Both the Cylum NFT marketplace and UGC gaming technologies are proprietary. Gamers have the option of purchasing land and property in order to enhance their online gaming experiences, and CYM, like other cryptocurrencies, can be bought and traded on Binance. So if you guys are a fan of Binance Smart Chain and you're looking at the metaverse and you're looking into the gaming world or the digital assets world, this may be a project you may want to check out. So we're going to put some information in the description so that you can further look into this yourself. And of course, we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research. We're going to go ahead and continue here. Through the use of the proprietary CYM protocol, Cylum delivers a decentralized financial asset that pays users with sustainable fixed compound interest model. The Cylum AutoStaking protocol, or CYM, is a revolutionary financial protocol that simplifies and optimizes staking while also providing the greatest reliable returns in cryptocurrency. We went over the APY yield and as well as the simple and secure staking, rapid interest payments, and the chimney. Let's go over what distinguishes Asylum from other DeFi 3.0 projects. Let's see what they have to say. We're adamant that those who invest the most time and resources in the DeFi area will ultimately succeed. Asylum has innovated Libero and Titano to build a sustainable automated staking, compounding, and burning protocol. You guys can check out some of the key features here of what Asylum is offering versus Titano and Libero. So you can see there's a lot more here that they've got to offer, which is really cool. And so other DeFi projects such as the following competitors there provide a big profit when the market is healthy and a low profit or loss when the market is unhealthy. But Cylum AutoStakes and Autocompounds exclusively stable coins on many blockchains. They want to constantly expand the collective fund to progressively support higher price floors. Unlike other FAAS initiatives, which store their money in a native chain token like BNB, ETH, FTM, the funds are held in BUSD, ensuring that it can only appreciate in value and is unaffected by adverse market conditions. So check out the other detailed comparisons between them below here. You can show some of the highlighted points here is higher APY than some of the competition. You can see here they have the potential to earn you 395,677% fixed APY compared to Libero, which is around the 158,000. And as well as Titano, which is around 102,000 fixed APY. So larger difference here. So, and again, these are potential numbers. So do keep these in mind. Automatic compounding rewards. Cylum Cypher funds will increase exponentially per year by bridging multi-chain staking and auto compounding protocol. That's why they are confident that they can support more than 2 times higher APY than Libero while still being sustainable. They also have a rug-proof feature here. Asylum has no minting code in the contract, so that is definitely a feature that's very positive. Fully decentralized auto compounding rewards without a need of an external wallet. So unlike Libero, which uses a centralized wallet to call rebase function from outside the contract every 30 minutes, which will bring in a disaster if that wallet is not working as intended, like losing key, power, internet outage, software, hardware issues, etc. Unlike Titano, which has no auto compounding reward at all, the auto compounding reward of Asylum is coded natively in the Asylum contract with no need for external rebase calls, so it cannot be hacked and will not be affected by centralized problems. Liquidity per circulating supply ratio is also higher and better and protects everyone when whales dump. So that's something to keep in mind. You can take a look at that. And they also have the automatic burn feature as well. And the initial launch, as we mentioned earlier, 2% of the total circulating supply will be burned. This percentage will evolve over the days based on the automatic hyper burn algorithm. The burn calculation will be updated daily according to the number of holders and token held by each. So you guys can take a look at that. Also, Cylum Longevity Plan, or CLP. Cylum enables its holders to compound their investments and returns widely, as the protocol automatically rewards them with tangible percent daily and a compounding annual percentage yield, as we mentioned, around 395,000%. When one considers the magnitude of this APY, one may question how such an APY is possible. Asylum generates revenue through a variety of channels. The protocol will utilize DeFi 3.0 multi-chain to exponentially grow the Cypher wallet at a rate of 50% or more each year in order to better support Cylum floor price. Liquidity owned by the protocol is another feature here. In comparison to Titano, which has static RFV fund that does not generate profit, Asylum will be multi-chain staking using Cypher Fund and Cylinder Fund. The Cypher funds are linked to other EVM compatible blockchains such as Avalanche, Phantom, Solana, etc. In order to farm at the highest APY farms and reinvest the profits into the Cypher funds. Asylum is constantly on the lookout for yield-generating opportunities across a variety of procedures and chains. Not only will the funds remain at BSC, but they will also be bridged to Phantom, Avalanche, Ethereum, or other developing blockchains with high profit yield farms and significant APYs, enabling Asylum to generate 50% more returns per year or more to further support the Asylum price floor. And that is why they're convinced as to why they can assist initiatives with greater APY than others while remaining financially viable. So that's super, super cool, guys. I mean, there's a lot of information here that you guys need to dig into yourselves, of course. Utilizing the protocol-owned liquidity or POL in conjunction with Cylum underlying mechanics is a critical distinction that enables Cylum to generate an additional revenue stream. PancakeSwap pays 0.25% of each transaction to the liquidity provider, allowing it to provide additional added value and APY to its token holders. Purchase fees of 10% and sale fees of 10%. The protocol retains a percentage of trading costs, buying and selling, and uses them to bolster the protocol's sustainability and liquidity. And additional revenue sources. Protocol will have a lottery system and further mechanisms will be added as Asylum grows and matures. However, the aforementioned and the primary revenue generating strategies upon which Asylum has relied since its beginning. This is the grandiose beginning of Asylum, and they're ecstatic about what lies ahead and will provide additional details regarding forthcoming initiatives, features, and collaborations in the following days and weeks and months, of course. So go ahead and get involved on their social media, guys. It's very important that you guys stay involved in the community so you can hear about the latest updates as well. So go ahead and check those links in our description as well. And I want to show you this here about the Cylum Cylinder. Cylum Cylinder is a cold storage wallet that stores a significant amount of BNB. The Cylinder will aid in controlling significant price declines caused by holders selling in order to maintain the token price. Preventing flash crashes through pricing stability is some of the protection offered here. Assuring the Cylum protocol's long-term viability and future expansion, and significantly lowering the downside risk. You guys can check out the wallet address there as well for that. And then also you can check this out here, the Cylum Cypher, in addition to the chimney, etc. and auto liquidity, automatic burn. I want to go ahead and pop over here to the app launch here. So if you launch the app, you can go ahead and take a look at, the ability to go ahead and purchase CYM here. You can also do the farming. So that is something that you can do. You'll need to connect your wallet in order to get started with that. It says your tokens never leave the wallet. Farming happens in your wallet. You just have to harvest your rewards manually. And you can also see these IMO sale progress, CYM unlock progress, as well as the total burned amount, liquidity lock proof, and audited by CertiK. These are some of the features about the project here. You can also take a look at the chart on Dex Tools as well. If you'd like to participate in the CYM IMO, you can go ahead and do so. There's also a referral link that you can also have here if you'd like to use that. And then you can also make sure to connect to your wallet, and then you can enter the BNB amount that you'd like to do. So let's say I do 10. You can see how that works here. And I want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit more. You can also see the calculator here. There's estimated earnings calculation for the speed farm, so you can take a look at how to do that. So let's say you want to enter, if you invested $500, this would show you roughly how much CYM you would receive after purchase. and what the potential earnings and output would be as the months go on. So that's really cool. I like that they offered this. It gives you a little projection of what's potentially going to be available to you, which is really cool. You can also claim a Cylum airdrop. They're showing there's 80 CYM available to claim, showing you can get $20 worth of CYM per referral. Distribution next round, claimable once per person, and then must perform all tasks. You can get started doing that. Also, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the roadmap here really quick. I want to show you about what they're planning here. They've already got a lot of these features here checked off here, and they've got more to come, guys. So next steps, they're going to be getting rolled out here this year, and as well as in the future beyond that. They're going to have some cool stuff going on. So definitely stay involved with this project. I think there's a lot of potential here, and I'd like to see what you guys think about it. I think there's definitely some merit to this project, and I would like to see what you guys have to say. Go ahead and drop a like on the video and comment below. If you'd like to learn more about Cylum, go ahead and check the links in the description, and you can get started there. And we appreciate you watching. And again, we're not financial advisors, but we do advise you to check out the next video, the alpha.